Hi, hello. Today we're gonna try to do a circular window on this area here, right? So for this, I'm gonna move into level 2, and I'm gonna create from the architectural tab from the wall icon, and I need to choose from the catalog the non-define, and I'm gonna make a piece of non-defined wall here. Right, we're gonna get the warning that is not automatically embed, so let's select the wall, go to edit type, and apply the automatically embed, this one here, and apply it. Right, and we got that. Okay, let's go to our 3D view, right, and let's tailor this circular window around here. Right, and now let's select again the wall, edit the profile, and draw a line, a diagonal line from corner to corner. Then switch to create a circle, and from the middle create that circle there, right? And you can start deleting all the surrounding lines on the profile and finish, right? And guess what? We got our circular glass window, right? And the next thing is to place mullions in the bottom half and the top half of your window, and you got your nice, right, circular window. Now we're gonna do a little bit of a little change there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna create, I'm gonna undo this one a little bit, at least for the mullions, and I'm gonna select my storefront curtain wall not defined, and I'm gonna edit the profile, and I'm gonna draw lines. I can do this one on 3D, right? I'm gonna draw lines on those quadrants, and I'm gonna use the offset command, and I'm gonna offset this like 5 inches, right around here. And then I'm gonna use the split command, right, to split the circle on those 4 quadrants, plus the lines. Got it? There we go. And we can apply the trimming, and we can start trimming, right? Unjoin the elements, don't worry about it. There we go. You're gonna see that unjoin elements quite a few times, right? So don't worry about it. There we go. Unjoin elements again. There we go. I think we got him. And last one is this 90-degree lines. Let me use the split again. I think I never split those 2 lines there, so let's go back to the trimming just to finish it up. There we go, there we go, there we go. Then erase your auxiliary lines or tracing lines, and then just finish, right? And you're gonna see now this, right? You're gonna see this nice thing, and you can go to Mullion, all grid lines, and just approach to your storefront non-defined, right? And you got your mullions, right? And we can get this one into realistic to see this, right? And you got your nice modeled, right, circular wall. Okay, hope you was able to enjoy this video. Rincon BIM Consulting. Like and subscribe.